here we are at Pantai Ngliyep. It's a little difficult to pronounce, I guess, for me, but nevertheless, it's just beautiful over here. We've got small gazebo and some nice fancy chairs for us to sit and just enjoying this beauty. This is the first time we have come. It is again in the South Malang coast, but it is the other direction, not towards Balikambang or the other beaches that we go to, but it's beautiful. And you see right there, that's a warung up there selling ikan bakar. We'll probably have some yummy lunch there and take a walk all around and explore this place. I'm pretty sure we can cross over and go to the other side. It's just gorgeous. What a beautiful start to our summer vacation. I'm going up to this warung up here that I showed you earlier, and let's see what they have. Oh, this looks beautiful out here. I'm going to show you some wonderful view. They have coconut for sure. Just love that. Wow, this is the other side that we couldn't see. Gorgeous. This little warung has all drinks, tea, coffee, and we just ordered, our friend just ordered some ikan bakar, that is like grilled fish that we're going to have for lunch. Oh, beautiful. That's where we were sitting. He's getting the grill ready for us for some nice barbecued fish. It's probably a kind of mackerel that he has today we are going to eat. Hey girls.
Hi. I don't say hi. I say bye.
Ooh, bye. Oh, that looks beautiful. Indonesia always has Insta unreliable. They have beautiful Instagrammable spots always. This is just awesome.
Put your life online.
Yeah, but I can't take the risk of going and standing there. It doesn't look that sturdy. But here is a wonderful view. And here's our lunch, which is getting ready. I would definitely come back here again. What a beautiful view. I'm just enjoying this time with my family and friends. Some awesome food has come for us to eat. Are you girls waiting to eat the ikan bakar?
No. Yes.
No? Yes? It's about 2 p.m. now and the water has receded so much. It's like low tide. You can see the rocks. Wow. It's a different beauty altogether now. It's so cool. Such a clear water. Wow. And these girls are trying to catch fish. Tiny fish. I see some fishermen out there. Let's go see what they are doing. You can see the fish. This tiny white one swimming. Beautiful. I don't know if you can see them, but I have to be really quiet. There are so many fish swimming out here. Found something. It's a sea snail. How do you know it's a sea snail?
Because it is. Because it's
so slimy.
See.
And some sea grapes, it seems. It's edible, and in Japan it's supposed to be very expensive. Well, good find, girls.
That was next to you.
Oh.